To use retro filter from CapCut on your photos in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open CapCut and then tap photo editor, select photo you want, for example this photo, and then select add, swipe left toolbar and then tap filters. Now you can swipe left to find retro, okay, and then tap retro. Now you can select filter you want, for example this filter, okay, this one, and then tap check to save, tap export to save on your gallery, and then tap done. Now you can find your photo on gallery. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.